gold prices after a long while has seen a little dip, and we have seen it trading below 3800 mark. Now see the levels from where you have seen the dip. 3872. Now if you recall, few hours back I have mentioned very clearly 3870.74. This is the zone which is going to be very critical for gold. We have seen the drop right from the same levels, and now it is seen trading in fact below 3800 mark. And if you recall the crude oil has got the support. See the numbers here, 62.5, 62.3. I have mentioned this is going to remain the crucial support for the day. Look at the numbers. Can we expect a reversal here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and crude oil? And if you talk about the NASDAQ 100 and Dow, look at the numbers here as well. All of these respected beautifully. See 46, 350 we had mentioned. We have seen a good drop right from the same zone. So what should be our strategy here in order to profit trading gold, crude oil, NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First to look into gold, followed with crude oil, and lastly NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones watch till. Now, if you look at the move here in gold, see first rise, then retracement, second a bigger rise. And now, in fact, the price is seen trading below the 20 and 50 period moving average. This is a slight bearish indication as, see, when it is bullish, it is just taking the support from 20 period. And after a while now, it is seen trading below the 20 and 50. And this is a nice bearish indication. If you look at the move, see preceding two candles, lower highs and higher lows. Now, let it stay below 3800 mark. And then what you can expect, if it trades below 3800, we can expect the price to move towards 3784, 3780 mark here. This is going to be the next support zone which gold has to break below. And what will happen if it trades below 3780? That is the point of time you can say now the bears are back and we are ready for a good drop all the way back towards this zone, that is 3780, 3760, 3740 levels. These are going to remain two prime support levels if at all gold decides to breach here on the downside. Notice this, just connect the highs and the lows. This is how it has been trading. Where are the lows aiming towards? The lows are aiming towards the zone that is 3760, 3740 possibly. If you see the stock ISIC, this has seen a good hit. It has come towards an oversold zone. The MACD is also crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has also shown a good drop. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at, now on the 2-hour charts, price is now again seen trading below the 20 period. It can in fact move towards the 50 period moving average, which is a good support zone. 3780.84 should be a very crucial support if at all gold decides to trade lower from here. And below that is where you can say now it is time for gold to start reversing. Notice it has shown extremely stronger move. If you connect this, you can find out this is the zone which is going to remain a crucial support zone, and it might try to hit this zone once, that is 3760, 3740. Stock ISIC has taken a good hit, looking downward. See the MACD, look at the waves here, and it is from the same point gold has shown this crossover. Earlier in the day we have discussed, I have mentioned you that see these are the levels from which the MACD reverses, and precisely this is the same zone from which gold is again reversing. So can we expect a good hit from here? It appears to be looking downwards, which is again a bearish indication. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. On the 3-hour charts, right now the 20 period is offering it a very good support, very crucial for gold to trade below 3800 mark. And that will be the beginning of the third bearish candle. Yes, it has taken multiple candles to hit these levels, and in just two candles we have seen it erasing all the gains. Now it is possible that price could move towards 3760, 3740 zone. Let's wait for this wave. As you have seen already two stronger candles, and if the third one arrives here, the third one is going to be a bigger one. But notice one point I would like to share here is, see on the 2-hour charts, if you look at, this could also become a reversal candle. This could also become a reversal candle. What will happen if it now trades beyond 3820, 3824 levels? You can expect 3830, 3840. Any move beyond 3840 is a sign of reversal in gold prices. Any move beyond 3840 is a clear sign that we are looking forward to a greater rise on the upside. If you see the stock ISIC, this has taken a hit. The MACD here on the 3-hour charts is also crossing over for sell. And see, these are the levels from which it delivers this crossover, almost forming a double top. So it suggests that there could be a stronger downside from here. RSI is also looking downwards, which is also a slight bearish indication. On the 4-hour charts, first bearish candle taking support from 20 period, let it breach below the 20 period, and then you can say we are ready for a good drop here. But too early to jump onto that conclusion. See, this is a very big bearish candle, and it appears that there has to be a follow-up candle here. We have to wait. On the upside, I will say till 38.2024 it's not a buy, and even if it trades above 38.2024, expect 38.30 and 38.40 as the two resistances. A move beyond 38.40 is a sign of a greater rise, else it is not yet to be treated bullish. Stochastic has seen a good dip. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell, and the RSI is looking downwards. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, this is just every now and then you can see gold tries to show a little dip here, and this is just not another exception. But only bearishness in gold prices are only if you see it is staying below 37.40 levels. Then only you can say now it's a reversal. As long as gold stays above 37.40, now you should be cautious with the sales. Price can bounce back any point of time. If not today, then possibly tomorrow, day after tomorrow. First of all, can it move towards 37.40? If you look at the move here, look at this single rise, and then today it has taken a dip right from the highs. If you connect the higher lows here and higher highs here, you can find out it has a potential till towards 37.80-84 zone. And yes, below that also it can try to take a dip, but I will say till 37.60 it's not yet bearish, and a possibility of a move towards 37.60 is there. However, I'll say you have to be watchful. It can show you swings. The stochastic at the top, the MACD is still in green. It is trying to converge, not yet crossing over. RSI is overbought, now trying to come back to the normal levels here. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels. And before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. The 35th batch dates are announced. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, we have an exceptional amazing promotional offer running for the signals channel right now, and this is only applicable for a week or so. Be a part of it. It is on the occasion of our 5th anniversary. It is almost at a 50% discount. Do join it today and enjoy your trading profits. In one single day you can recover your all money for the 3 months. The details are there in the communities tab in this channel and also on my Telegram channel. Do join it today. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a Sep-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now what you can do, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 38.14, 15 levels. Expect it to move towards 38.20, 24. 38.30. Now 38.30 one crucial number, 38.40 the next. Only if you see gold trading above 38.40, you can say it's a reversal, and then you can stay with the buys. What we will look forward to, we will look forward to 38.55, 38.70 levels as the next, and then beyond that, sky is the limit. You can expect it to move towards 38.90 levels as well. But now I do not expect gold to move towards this zone. 38.70 has offered it a very good resistance, and this must remain the resistance for the near term. It could be possible beginning of reversal here in gold prices. Keep a note of this. On the downside, I will recommend a sell only if you see now gold trading below 37. You can sell at 37.98 levels, or in fact, since this is a little far, you can sell at 38.04. Expect 37.98.96 as the first target zone, 37.84.80 as the next, and below this you can expect 37.60 and then 37.40. Below 37.40 it can show you a stronger dump all the way towards 3700 mark very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to crude oil. See, oil here, after the drop, sideways movement, then a bigger drop, then sideways movement. Now it is finding it difficult to trade above 63 mark. So what I'll recommend, if you see it is staying above 63, 63.2, earlier in the day I had mentioned the same levels proven out to be a greater resistance so far. So if you see it is staying beyond 63.2, that is the point of time you can initiate a buy. Yes, it can rise from there. It can move towards 63.5, 63.6, and 64 levels. Also notice 62.5, 62.3 is indeed a very good support. We have seen it in the past as well, and again proving out to be a good support again. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish. Stochastic has hit a bottom. The MACD has hit a bottom, crossing over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI coming out of the oversold zone here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, what has happened? We have seen, see, diminishing bearishness, but yet you can say it has failed to trade above, and we have seen a good hit. Now it is consolidating. So any move beyond 63.2 is a good indication for a buy. 63.5, 63.6, 64. And once it trades beyond 64, you can expect a good rise all the way towards 65 as well. Yes, price could in fact completely reverse. When you look at the last few trends, see, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement, bigger rise, and it is trying to retrace higher highs and higher lows here. On the downside, very, very crucial for oil to trade below 61.8, 61.5. As long as this zone is not taken, you should be careful with the sells here. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD has seen a good dip here. Wait for it to converge crossover. See, it has seen a good dip right from the top. It can reverse. RSI is staying oversold here. On the 3 hour, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts. Lower highs here, lower lows here, trading in this zone, waiting for a breakout move. Staying beyond 63.2 is where we can see a good rise. The moving averages crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD is staying bearish, trying to converge crossover. RSI sitting at the bottom. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Move beyond 63.2 is what you should wait for in order to confirm a buying trade. It is possible that after delivering a good breakout on the downside, it could reverse completely, but right now it is not showing much signs. Stochastic though rising from the oversold, the MACD has delivered a good bearish wave, and see yesterday's move here. I have mentioned very clearly, see this crossover is coming from the top. It can show you a dip, and see this red part is done. So possibly wait for a crossover here. RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to the day, now on the daily charts, look at the formation. See, one thing is pretty clear. It is going to be difficult for oil to trade below 61.8, 61.5 zone. And that is a zone below which you can confirm that now it is turning bearish. As long as 61.8, 61.5 is not taken, do not treat oil as bearish. That is pretty clear here. Yes, it is staying in the box. It has to come out of this box. On the upside, 66 is offering it a very, very good resistance. Now see what you have seen yesterday. After a good rise, a reversal sign appeared, one bearish candle. Now today it is possible that it could bounce back from these levels and start showing a reversal, but it is not yet a reversal as long as it trades below 65, 65.2 zone. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to cross over for sell. RSI has seen a dip here. So looking at this, what you can do, where you should buy, I will only now recommend you to buy once you see oil trading beyond 63.2. Expect 63.5, 63.6 as the first target zone. Beyond this, expect 64. If it stays above 64, the next targets are towards 65. Any move beyond 65 is a sign of reversal towards 66 and higher levels. You have to wait for it to move beyond these levels in order to confirm a drop or further rise. On the downside, the selling entry, again the same zone, 62.5, 62.3, the prime support zone here. If this is taken, stay short for 62, 61.8. Below that, 61.5, 61.4. And this is going to be the strongest support here. Below this, expect 61 and 60. If at all it trades below 60, that's a breakout, that's a reversal, that's going to decide the future move. So crude oil where 57.8, 55 should be there very, very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to Nasdaq 100. If you look at Nasdaq 100, see, after the drop here yesterday, we have seen a drop, then a retracement, then a drop, then slight retracement. It is trying to create a bearish channel like this. So it means that as long as now 24, 650, 680 zone is not taken, you should not be treating this as bullish. And then on the upside, I will say, even if it trades beyond 23, 650, 680 zone, expect 23, 720, 23, 760, 780. Critical resistances on the upside available till 23, 780. Do not treat this as bullish. Now see what's happening since finding the resistance at 24, 600, trying to take a dip again. If you again see it is staying below 24, 540, stay with the cells. This is the zone 24, 500. It has to trade below 25, 24, 500 in order to confirm the bearishness today. it is possible that it can take this trend again. See the drop, retracement, and then once it drops, it is going to be a bigger deeper move here. Stochastic though is rising, which is supportive for further rise, while the MACD is staying bearish and the RSI is staying flat. On the 2-hour charts, when you see, the moving averages have started to trade with divergence, and see the drop here. Look at the move it is showing. This is how it has been trading, and now it is very crucial for it to trade beyond 24 650 680 in order to confirm a bounce back, a rise from here. Else what's happening? Since the drop, it is finding it difficult to trade beyond 24 600. We can see it again moving downwards. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over for a sell, slight bearish indication it is, and the RSI is also trading with slight bearishness. If you see the 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, see double top and a consolidation. Wait for it to deliver a breakout here. Any move below 24,500 will be a clear indication of further bearishness here. And then we can expect it to trade lower. Look at the lower highs and the lower lows. So this is how it has been trading. And then we can expect greater correction here. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. And the RSI is almost trading with slight bearish indication, but not yet confirming the aggressive bearish move here. Look at the 4-hour chart. This is important. Since the drop, slight retracement, one bearish candle, and see this is closed at the bottom. It has continued the same trend, and now it is very crucial, because see, this is the step here, and then it might continue with the bigger bearish move. So it is very crucial for gold to for Nasdaq 100 to trade beyond 24 650 680. As long as it stays below 24 650 680, it's not yet to be treated bullish. And what I am looking here is, I am looking a move like this, but right now it is just consolidating. Wait for it to take a direction. Any move below 24 500 will be a very good indication for further drop. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI has seen a down move here. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, see, it is still staying bullish. You can see higher lows here. Very crucial for Tech 100 to trade below 24 500. A move below 24 500 will be a clear indication of further correction, further downside. Else it could bounce back. It could move all the way towards 24 800, form a double top here. Now see what's happening today. It has formed a double bottom and trying to recover. I will wait for it to stay lower below 24 500. Now see the move here. Right now it is delivering a flat bottom since yesterday. So on the upside now, I will definitely wait for it to stay beyond 24 650 680 zone, which will confirm the further up move. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over for a sell, slight bearish indication it is, and the RSI is at top. So looking at this, now before I provide you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. The 35th batch dates are announced, only limited entries we have. Do join it today, reach out to me for details. Else you can be part of my signals channel. We capture hundreds of pips and points every day. Yes, we are running a promotional offer on our 5th anniversary. Do not miss to join the signals channel. This offer is only valid for a few days. Reach out to me for details. Else you can find the details here in the channel's community page and my Telegram channel as well. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a SAF-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. So now, first is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy at 24 620 levels. Expect it to move towards 24 650, 24 680. Now see, on the upside the resistances are very nearby. Then expect 24 750, 24 780. Now 24 780, 24 800, this is the zone Tech 100 has to break beyond, and then you can expect 24 880, 25,000 levels as well. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. I am not looking forward to 25,000 any point of time soon, but yes, when I don't expect the markets deliver it. So let's wait for it to take a direction. I do not see such a move though today. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 24 575. Expect 24 550, 540. Now 24 550, 540, very good support. Then expect 24 500. If at all it trades below 24 500, then you can say now this is the time for Tech 100 to take a dip. You can expect 24 450, 400. And below 24 400 is where the bears are waiting. You can look forward to 24 300, 24 180, 24k levels here directly. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to Dow Jones. On the hourly chart, see, we have seen a good rise. It has taken a dumper retracement. It is finding it difficult to trade beyond 46,350. If at all you see US 30 any point of time trading above 46,350, that is the point of time you can initiate a buy. What has happened since then? It has taken a dip. Now it is consolidating. It is possible that it could form a reversal as well, and it could take a dip because this is an indecision here. Now, where you could buy, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 46,250, but this is going to be critical. This is going to be difficult as there are greater resistances on the upside 46,300, 340, 350. Only and only if it trades beyond 46,350, it's a reversal. And on the downside now, it is pretty crucial for it to break below yesterday's lows, that is 46,150, 100 zone. This is very good support zone. Moving averages have started to converge, though not yet crossed over. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD is bearish, the RSI has seen a good drop as well. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also diminishing bearishness, but a flat top is a concerning point. So till 46,350 it's not yet bullish, and now it has to take a direction. Yes, any move below 46,150 is a good sign for you to stay with the sells. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD trading with divergence is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has seen a good dip here. Look at 3-hour, similar observation on the 3-hour charts. Now see, this flat top is very important. So 46,350 becomes a wall for US 30 now. Any move beyond 46,350 is a sign of reversal. Else you can see bearishness is following up here. It can take a good drop all the way towards 46,100, 150 zone. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD crossing over here, slight bearish indication it is. And the RSI is trading bearish. On the 4-hour, similar observation, drop, retracement drop here. Only worry point is the diminishing bearishness it is showing here. Only worry point is the support it is getting close to 46,150. This is indeed a very good support here. And thus below 46,100 is where you can definitely expect a greater down move here. It is possible that see lower highs means it can follow up with lower lows as well, where the space on the downside is wide open. Stochastic has seen a dip. The MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell, slight bearish indication it is, and the RSI is taken a hit. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, notice rise, retracement, then a retracement, now taking a down move here. Now see, on the upside, none of the candles closed above 46,400. Very crucial for US 30 to first break 46,350 and then 46,400 levels, which could take it all the way towards 46,500, 46,600. And a move beyond 46,600 is a indication of a greater rally ahead. What has happened since retracing here, it is almost forming higher lows, so it can show you swings as well. It can in fact keep moving towards 46, 400, 500 zone, but I'll say the up move is going to be difficult and there could be swings today. Stochastic rising, the MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish. RSI is shown a dip. So considering this, what you can do, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy if you see it staying beyond 46, 250 levels, and then expect it to move towards 46, 300, 350. If it trades above 350, that's a sign of little bullishness here. Expect 46, 400 and then 46, 500. Any move beyond 46, 500 is a sign of a greater rally ahead. You can stay bullish for 46, 650, 46, 800, 47,000 as well. Staying above 46, 500 is where the real bullishness will be seen. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell now at 46, 100, 70 levels. Expect it to move towards 46, 100. Staying below 46, 100, 45, 950 and then 45, 800. Below 45, 800 is where the real bearish move will be seen. 45, 670, 45, 500 levels will be there very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.